Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we are going to continue in our method book on the flute with line 40, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So we're going to look for patterns and see what all we have. So at the beginning, we have our treble clef, followed by our key signature that has two flats. The first one tells us that all B's are flat. The second one tells us that all E's are flat. So that means we are in the key of B flat. Then we have our time signature. We're in 4/4 time. We have 4 beats in every measure, and the bottom number is the value of the whole note. So if we had a whole note, it would get 4 beats, and then half of a whole is a half of 4 is 2. So the half notes that are not colored in, those get 2 beats each. Half of a half is a quarter, half of 2 is 1, so all of the quarter notes that are colored in get 1 beat each. So now we're going to go through, see what notes we have, and look for patterns. So we start with 2 quarter note B flats, thumb and 1 and pinky. And then we add these 2 fingers for 2 Fs, lift for 2 Gs, back down for a half note F, and then we're coming down our scale. So we have E flat, lift the index finger, put these 2 fingers down. Then we have 2 Ds, so you just lift that pinky. Switch everything out for the 2 Cs, first finger and pinky on the foot joint, and then add your thumb and index finger for the B flat. Then for the second line, we put these 2 fingers back down for the F, go to an E flat, play 2 of those, lift for 2 Ds, switch everything out for the half note C. That pattern repeats itself. And then the third line is the first line over again. So if we were talking form, this would be an A-B-A pattern. We would call the first line A, the second line B because it's completely different, and then the third line A because it's exactly like the first line. I'm going to play through this. I want you to play along and start every note with a T sound and let your air continue to flow. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. And that is it for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on the flute. I hope you find it helpful. If you can't keep up with that tempo, slow it down, do smaller sections, work out what gives you trouble, and then put it back together. But again, I hope this helps, and we'll see you next time.